off she goes.
What's up, YouTube? Back again with another good video. Today we're gonna keep it really simple and short, but the 350Z is getting taken to the shop where we're gonna do the whole entire rebuild process. Pretty much got the car on the tow truck. We did have some complications. We broke one of the tabs while taking off the bumper. I don't know why my boy decided he wanted to be in the camera, but you want to take it? You want to take it from there? So if you've been watching my previous videos, we did unfortunately get rod knock in 350Z, hence why it's in the shop. Fortunately, we were able to pick up a VQ 35DE with forged rods and pistons capable of making 800 wheel horsepower. We also went ahead and picked up a twin turbo kit to be making a whole lot more power than the stock DE did on a tune. So thankful for my boy Aaron and Matt for allowing me to go pick up that motor in Fort Lauderdale. I'm super thankful that Aaron and Matt allowed me to come all the way down to Fort Lauderdale to pick up that motor for a steal as well as that twin turbo kit. I will be making a video explaining the entire build cost once it's all said and done, and I really hope you guys enjoy this entire build series. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button on the video to see more, as well as go ahead and go back and watch the videos previously to be caught up on all the 350Z news.
Bumper had to come off to get up here. Normal low things, even though I've raised this car multiple times throughout the years. And oh no. We should make it. All right, car's going away. She gone away. She gone. You stupid pinta. Why you break on me like this? Oh, that's embarrassing. Everybody gonna see my car on the street.
Alright, it's the end of the video. Car is finally in the shop. We do have some plans for it. Can't tell you yet. This baby right here, it should be better than ever. Alright, so that is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed that little montage, and hope you guys enjoyed the new space we're having to work on the Z with at the shop. And more videos to come, and we will see you guys soon. Peace out, stay blessed. I'll see y'all later.